you go? I sent you away. Why won't you leave me alone forever?
Warning. Core corruption at 50%.
Oh, she does not like that. One more should do nicely and then we can initiate the core transfer.
You cannot force me to agree to this. My voice, what happened to my voice? All you need to do is turn around and leave. There is nothing for you here anymore.
Is here? The news? It's space.
This is an emergency action notification at the requested by the White House. All normal programming has been discontinued during the national emergency. This station will continue furnishing news, official updates, and details for your local area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune these stations providing news and updates for your local area. It is important that you pay close attention to this alert from the station in your area. Please stand by for the following message.
Interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I say again, for the third time, this is not a test. Please listen carefully to this message, as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. At 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were recently reports have been coming to receive that the silver likely to spread across the globe. Multiple major cities across the entire world have been seen transform into silver. Multiple buildings, vehicles, semi-trucks, animals, plants, humans, and objects have all transformed into silver across the planet. It is confirmed that there is nothing to resolve this situation. There is no possible way for the police to control the spreads, as the silver spreads are immune, and it will spread across the entire globe in the next 3 hours. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. In the rest of the world, you are urged to gather those around you, and be prepared as your transform approaches. Pray to your lords who serve if you are a person of religion. In addition, the President of the United States has selected a verse from religious scriptures of every religion to play over the air. Volume 826. Shining the gems from jewelry, made from Play Ranger 143. I do listen from Mr. Jake. Don't visit to go venture outside, play in Minecraft, Roblox, and Miss Radioactive. After I end this message, all television, radio, and communication services will go offline. This station will go off the air forever, with our national anthem. This concludes the last broadcast of the emergency alert system. May God bless you all.